So, very good morning to all. After learning these cursive strokes, curves and loops, today I will teach a child how to write letter C, A and D using this first curve. So, here I begin. First of all, I will recall the previous cursive and stroke with the child. I will ask her to write this again one time. Okay, so start writing it. Same thing yesterday which you have written. Okay, next. Touch the line, blue line, yes. Now after this, after writing this, now I will teach a child how to write letter C using this stroke and curve. See here, here you will put your pencil on the third line. From this line, you will go slanting, go up, bend down little. Now you don't have to pick your pencil, turn back, take a back turn and make a letter C as you make in small letters and then end with the tail. Okay, so now you will write this letter C using this curve and stroke. No, not like this and don't come back again. Okay, see, आपको वापस पीछे नहीं आना है. You will, once you have started from this third line, first you will make your this stroke and curve as you have learned yesterday. Bend it down, don't pick your pencil, turn back, come back, make letter C and end with the tail. So I am putting a dot for you, then you start writing. Okay, now you write. Yes, come back again. Yes, up. Yes. Bend down, turn. Yes, don't go up so much up. You don't have to go so much up. Okay, once again. Slowly, write slowly. Yes, 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 but this much is enough. You have to end with the tail. Always end with the tail. Why we end with the tail? So that we can join another letter and make a word. And touch the line properly. Follow the lines properly. Slowly. Very slowly you will write. When you are learning, you have to write very slow. And you have to look down on the lines. You should follow the lines. One more time you write. Yes, done. Good. So now you have learned letter C. Using this letter only, now we will make letter A. See how you will make letter A. First you will start from the third line. First, second, third. You will put your pencil here. Go slanting. Bend down. Then make letter A. Now you don't have to end with the tail. You have to close this. Close it. Then pick your pencil. Come down. And now you will take a tail. Once more I am teaching you. See, from the third line, go up, bend down, make letter C, then close it, come down and end with tail. Okay, got it? Okay, now you write. Yes. Up. Yes. Close it properly and touch the lines properly. Yes, end with the tail. And don't put too much pressure on the pencil. Very softly hold the pencil. Yes, and touch the lines. See, here you have not touched the line properly. See that you have to touch the line properly. Slowly, slowly, very slowly, right? If you will go fast, then you will not able to touch the line. Very slow. Yes. No, letter A you have to make, okay? Yes. Yes. Up, down, take a back up, down, and end with the tail. Okay, one more time you will write. Let me put the dot for you. Very slowly you will write now. Yes. Now you have learned letter C and letter A. Now with the same curve and stroke, I will make you learn letter D. How you will write letter D. See now here. First you will start from the third line. Put your pencil here. Go up. First make letter C. Okay. Then close it. Now you have to go up to the red line. Till red line you have to touch the red line. Don't pick your pencil. Come straight down and end with the tail. One more time, see here. From the third line, put your pencil on the third line. Bend down. Back C you will make. You will close it. Go up, touch the red line. Come back straight and end with the tail. Very slow. You have to write this letter. Slowly, slowly. And touch the lines properly. Yes. Yes. Up till red line, and your line should be straight. Don't go slanting. Okay? You should make a straight. Yes. This you have made it wrong. See, this is not correct now. You could not touch the line, so I am erasing it again. Again write it. Slow, slow. Yes. Yes. One more time you will write. So when a child has written these three letters C, A and D, using the first curve and stroke, the child can write letter C, A and D. And after learning this, give him or her lot of practice so that he or she can write it very easily. Thank you and have a nice day.